Okay, today is January 15th, 2024. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Therefore, the markets are closing early. Closing during New York lunch. Open back up at 6 p.m. New York time. So, today and this week, I'm going to be looking at market structure in depth. Just backtesting, prices reaction to daily imbalances where it may turn around like here. So right now we're looking at NASDAQ futures on a daily chart. And if we look at these swing highs and swing lows, this low here balanced this imbalance, making it an intermediate term low. And this high right here balanced this imbalance, making it an intermediate term high. And so if we look at market structure on a daily chart, we can see that price broke an intermediate term low, returned back up to the premium range of this move down, which broke the low, and has lost momentum. I can't say it's turned around yet, but it's lost a lot of momentum, and it's acting like it wants to turn around. So if we're looking at market structure on a daily chart, it does look bearish. We have a failed higher high here and an intermediate term low broken here. So this leads me to the idea that we may come down past this intermediate term low and this short-term low or long-term low, and down into this level, this imbalance right here. If we go up to a weekly chart and look at this, it's one consecutive move upwards, minus this swing low right here, but all green candles. And just below equilibrium here is this weekly imbalance. So if we look at this bottom of this candle, looking at 15,690 roughly. And if we go down to a daily chart, this imbalance right here just below equilibrium, $15,690 was our initial number, so about that same area right here. So this can be a possible long-term downside target. I'm not saying that price is going to go down. I don't know that, but if it does, this is going to be a good downside target. So market structure on a daily time frame appears to be bearish based on my understanding. If we go down to an hourly chart, hold on, let me go back up for one moment here. We're going to be looking at this. Here's a daily sell side imbalance. Price traded down into this one. Let me grab a fib and go like this. So if we look at the discount range of this move, there's this fair value gap, but only part of it is in the discount range. This is the first entire imbalance in the discount range, along with this order block back here. So price came down to discount range, went back up. So we're going to look at this. On a 1 hour time frame, I have my highs and lows marked out. We can see price made a long-term high here, then an intermediate term high, and then a lower intermediate term high. So our highs are consecutively lower If we look at our lows, this technically should be this low should be marked here, this intermediate term low, because this imbalance was rebalanced when this low was formed. So if we look at this intermediate term low broken to the downside, so now we're trading just under a daily sell side imbalance in a premium range with bearish market structure on a daily time frame. And we've just had a 1 hour intermediate term low broken with consecutively lower intermediate term highs. And we have this hourly fair value gap in the premium range of this move from this high to this low, or from this high to this low, however you want to look at it. So when I get on the charts tomorrow morning, I'm going to be looking for price to run up into here and create a short setup for me to go lower. I think this is a good downside target. We have this low here in the discount range and a large imbalance here. So this is a good target. I don't know if we're going to reach this tomorrow. It may take all week. I doubt it though. So this is what I'm looking for right now. Looking for a move up into this balance and a setup to go short. So who knows, maybe I'm wrong, but that's why I'm making this video, because if I'm wrong, then I can come back and look at it and see where I was wrong and how I can change that to be right in the future. So alright, have a good one.